Hey everyone, hello, welcome to back my BODO Ellen Walker vlog. Now today we are at here near of our village Ganga festival. And hey guys, I have a request which are enjoy feel by watching my video. Please watch till end guys, and which are haven't interest by watching my video, you can go guys, because I doesn't matter. Okay guys, then follow me. I will show you the very beautiful view of our Ganga festival.
हमारा फोकस तो हमें ना है हम उस हिसाब से का
Hey guys, watch here. I'm so crazy. I watch myself picture so often. Watch here guys, now here is no more people, but after some time you can see here so much people. Hey guys, watch here. She is my friend. Now she is choosing some weaving tools. You can watch guys what she is looking for. Itu kok hanya macam gitu. Now we are taking rest a movement guys, and we gonna also take some enjoyment by watching the stage show guys. Hey guys, watch here. She is my friend. Now I'm forcing her to say something on my video. Watch here guys. like Xiaomin.
জাতি হ'ব জানিলে এটা জাতিৰ
Dia jangan tak, baik kunci. Baik mana dia? Baik mana dia? Baik banyak aja. Tinggal ini.
আমাৰ অসমীয়া জাতিক জীয়াই ৰখাৰ বাবে প্ৰয়াস কৰিছে কিন্তু মোৰ অন্তৰৰ পৰা
Hey guys, now we are ready to go back at our home. Now my friends are eating some pani puris for last time. I don't like to eat the pani puri, guys. Which are love to eat the pani puri? Please comment below, guys. I wanna check your comments. Hey guys, that's all for today because I can show you the streets view because the streets are now so dark. Anyway guys, please watch, share, subscribe, comment and give me a thumb also guys. Now bye bye guys, that's all for today.